Yeah, so I went on my first ride testing these mirrors, but it looks like we have a little problem. It looks good. I was able to adjust this one to give me the visibility I need, but that boy is a little tilted up, and that's just based on how it is attached to the handlebar. So I just got me some tools to see if I can adjust this, remove it, untie it, tilt the mirror a little bit forward, and that should be it. It's just 2 or 3 degrees and it will be good to go. At least I hope. Yeah, the solution was as anticipated. It was a simple fix. I loosen up that bolt over there. It's an 8mm, using my trusty tool here, snobby, is that what they call it? Then just loosen it up, and I move this up a little bit. I move it up a little bit, and I was able to get the visibility I need. Yeah, let me do a quick test, and I think this should be good to go. Yeah.